Welcome to e-Pramaan, the National E-Authentication Service. This tutorial is about user registration on e-Pramaan without identity verification. To register on the e-Pramaan user portal, go to e-Pramaan homepage, that is www.epramaan.gov.in, and click on User Login. This will take you to the e-Pramaan user portal. Click on Register. Click on the option Registration without identity verification and click on Continue. This will display a citizen registration form. You will need to fill up this form with the mandatory details. The given name field is your name. It can be your first name, last name, or both first and last name, separated by space. It is a mandatory field. The username and password fields are mandatory and are needed to log in to the e-Pramaan user portal. When entering the username, it must be between 3 to 100 characters. It must begin with an alphabet and can be a combination of alphabets and numbers. When entering the password, it must be between 8 to 30 characters and must be a combination of lowercase alphabets, uppercase alphabets, numbers, and special characters, excluding empty spaces. Now, re-enter the password entered in the Confirm Password field. It should be the same password as entered in the password field. The date of birth field is your birthday and is a mandatory field. It is broken down into 3 parts. The first part is the day of the month. It should be between 1 and 31. The second part is the month, and you can choose the same from the drop-down menu. The third part is the year and should be in the 4-digit format. For example, if you were born in 1969, please enter 1969. Either your mobile number or email ID is mandatory for this type of registration. The mobile number field is your mobile number. While entering the mobile number, you do not need to prefix 0. The email ID field is your email address. It can be 5 to 254 characters long and must be entered in a valid email format. The PAN is an optional field. However, if you decide to enter your PAN, it should be a valid PAN format. The Aadhaar field is your Aadhaar number. It is an optional field. Contact address is the physical address at which you wish to be contacted. It comprises of house, flat, building, landmark, street, locality, city or district, state and PIN code fields. The contact address is optional. If inputted, house, flat, building, landmark, street and locality fields should be 1 to 60 characters long and can contain alphabets, numbers, and all special characters including space. The city or district field should be 1 to 50 characters long and can contain alphabets and space. You can then select the state name from the list of states provided. The PIN code field must be 6 characters long and can contain only numbers. The security question is used in combination with security answer to delete the user profile. Both are mandatory fields. Choose a security question from the drop-down list provided. The security answer must be between 3 to 250 characters and can contain alphabets, numbers, and space. Please note that security question and security answer fields cannot be changed after sign-up. The personal message is a mandatory field and will be displayed every time you enter your username to log in. This way, you will be able to determine if the e-Pramaan user portal is genuine or not. The personal message must be between 3 to 250 characters and can include alphabets, numbers, and space. The CAPTCHA is case sensitive and should be entered exactly as displayed. Entering the CAPTCHA is mandatory. If the CAPTCHA is not visible, it can be regenerated using the refresh button. Once you fill the form, you must accept the terms and policies of e-Pramaan by checking the box near Accept Terms and Policies of e-Pramaan. Next, submit the form by clicking on the Sign Up button. A registration verification process page is displayed, which notifies you to verify the mobile or email for completing the registration process. Please note that the email or mobile verification should be completed within 2 days of signing up on e-Pramaan user portal, or you will need to register again. If you provided your email ID, an email verification link is sent to your email ID, and you will need to click on that link to complete the registration on e-Pramaan user portal. In case you have not received the email verification link, you need to click on the Send Verification link displayed next to the email ID on the registration verification process page. If you provided your mobile number, you need to click on the Verify link displayed next to the mobile number on the registration verification process page. A verification using mobile code page is displayed where you are prompted to enter the mobile verification code sent on your mobile number. You will need to enter the verification code and click on Submit. In case you do not receive the verification code, you can click on the Resend Verification Code link to resend the verification code. The Resend Verification Code link can be used for a maximum of 4 times. Once you have completed the verification via mobile or email registration on e-Pramaan, the user profile page is displayed listing the details of the user and registration is complete.